All right, Metolius, here goes your little super duper stick clip. AJ's gonna try it for the first time. See if he can figure it out. Put that advanced degree to good use. So they say you don't have to, you can roll it out whatever length you need. You don't have to like do it all the way.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it'll hold.
Oh, you can attach it to...
Yeah, that goes to that end. I believe so.
I thought it would go to the other end because there's a...
That clip?
A screw of sorts.
Oh, maybe it is. Okay. I mean...
Let's take a closer look at this thing.
Yeah. That thing just fits on and then it... But maybe you're right. Maybe that is how it... There's a camera attachment or something. And you gotta do your selfies with it, I guess. We're trying not to drop anything either.
Yeah. Oh my god.
As long as it's not a mission critical piece. See, I jinxed you.
Immediately after.
Because in their video they show, but that screw makes sense, right? Why you would have to use that end. Yeah, because that would lock in. No, that just stays on.
It does?
Yeah, it just fits over and then you screw it.
Just looks like a little push tab of sorts.
Yeah, but the way they were using it, like, it was showing him just extend it to what he needed and then...
I guess you roll it up the other way so that this thing's on.
Yeah, that would make sense. So it folds, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. It goes on the outside.
It does?
Yeah.
Oh, I get it.
Yeah. There you go.
And now it's locked. Cool.
And then you got to figure out how to put the... It took me a bit too to figure out the quick draw on it because it's different than the other stick clip I had. I wonder if that's as long as the other one. Ah, you got it. Other way. Oh, there you go. Now the sling's in the way.
Oh, that's gonna fall off.
Yeah. Took me a minute to figure that out too.
There we go.
Let me get past this so I can film you.
Yeah.
Hope I don't fall off the rock while I... get past. Squeeze. Oh, look at that. Beautiful.
Easy.
Ah, that's cool.
That's sweet.
It worked.
I think I backflipped myself. Oh, well.
Now the dismantling. I'm glad you noticed that bolt though. That was, you were right.
I'll roll it from the other side then.
It's kind of annoying though. I would think that you could fold it from...
Yeah, if they put that on both sides.
Yeah, well that's a good point. And the trick will be, right, if it fits into the bag again.
Yeah.
Or if it's like some of those stuff sacks. Once you get it out, you never get it back into the same stuff sack.
Machines can always fold it better than us.
Nice. Now you see why they folded it the other direction though, because that pin is...
Pin pushes it up, yeah.
Yeah. Drum roll, will it fit in the bag? Oh, it did! Wow, Metolius.
Good job.
We're impressed with your super clip. What do you think? Thumbs up, thumbs down?
Definitely thumbs up.
Okay.
For how small that thing is.
We were saying earlier, I love how it doesn't catch on everything when you're going through a brushy approach. Because it's not hanging on your bag on the outside. AJ's starting out. Carrie noticed the big thick rope we're on. We're being super safe today. Oh, it's better than it sounds. Pitch 2.
Such cool features.
Isn't it fun? Wait till you get up.
Alright, I'm in a safe spot. I'm gonna move this draw up.
Okay. Little house on the prairie. It's beautiful vegetation.
Yeah. We're roped up on dirt.
Yeah, I go right of that. AJ's got the final pitch. Making the moves. This pitch is so fun. There's gonna be a fun move in your approach shoes up there.
Oh boy.
There's Jefferson, where we'll be tomorrow. Nice. Selfie time. AJ's topping out. Nicely done. There's the road down there. Jefferson. Let's get out of here. Go eat lunch. You will have to use those chains.
Why do we do this a little bit? Why don't we just wrap down to the...
Because then you're in that goalie in that corner.
Mm.
This is way safer. Remember where those two bolts are? Down there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ta-da!